4 brave hearts, as they were justly called, were summoned for this challenge. Iras would be the one to lead them through the domain of the trolls. They would go into the green valleys and follow the white river until they reached the magic woods of Aranen. Beyond them lay the real danger. But surely the immortal flame of the angels would live and breathe once again in the warrior's legendary steel.